decided to tear apart this 200, no letter 200, which I found out there's no letter and lettered 200s. It's an 82 Honda ATC no letter 200. I decided to just tear into it, check the carb out. Good thing, what do you call it? The air box is a bird's nest. I ordered a filter and a bunch of other parts for it. And I decided to tinker with the carb. And this carb is actually pretty simple. And if what I'll do is I'll record this part and then I'll record the end of it and show you. But I brought it to my house. It was nice and warm. Yeah, warm weather. Ooh. So I kept my toes nice and warm, and I just basically made a video. I'll throw in some pictures if I remember, and I'll show you the before and after photos. It's actually I'm quite impressed with it. And so watch the video. I'm going to try to speed it up, whatever, and stay tuned. It's pretty cool because you can just grab one of these and try not to get a splinter. Take it out of here. Come on. There you go. What the hell? Why is it coming off? There we go. That on there. Tighten it up and ta-da! Could use this to come off here. Come on. Need a pair of pliers. Need a pair of pliers. Oh, that's no good. What the hell? I need a pair of pliers. Damn it. There we go. That might work. Where's my little picky? Here we go. I'm being gentle. I'm not squeezing, just trying to get the tube off that's a million years old. There we go. I like this thing. It's pretty cool. It's kind of funny because he do this to a bike, and everybody's like, "Yeah, clean it up," and then why? So we can get it dirty again. Does that make any sense? Not really. But it is what it is. Holy shit! This one's cruddy. The carotid artery. Yeah, look at that. Definitely got to be cleaned. Looks like there's a rubber gasket in there. Look how dirty this is. I'm going to clean it for now, but it's going to be replaced.
I just don't want to put more crud back in the hole. More in there, better. Plus, if I get rid of it, just take it out and wait. I'm going to forget where everything goes, so I'll just clean it off, make it look all pretty, and this is the part where the thing flies out of my hand and I lose it on the other side of the room somewhere. Good thing I'm wearing reading glasses because I probably would have lost the eye already. Just so you don't notice.
Things fly out just like every other one. I'll have to get a brush to clean this out. A little pick in there, and there's all kind of crud in there. Get a cleaning brush. I'm guessing that goes in there, shoots it out of there or something. I don't know. It's cleaner before. Put that in back there so I don't lose it. Put it there so I don't lose it. I don't know how far it's supposed to go, but that's cleaned. Once I figured out how to do this, I was quite impressed. I was like, holy shit. It's not that complicated. I don't know how to reset valves and stuff, so I don't know. There's that little float thing. I did pretty good in there.
Missed a few spots. Down here. There's some heavy crap on here, though. There's some heavy duty crap on here. You can see where the line where the stuff is just embedded in the metal. There you go.
Shit flies over in your mouth, too.
Battery's dead. Or dying.
My mini ultrasonic cleaner. Anyway, on this video right here, you'll see what I started with versus this thing, which is 1,000 times nicer. I mean, it's not perfect, but when I get the parts, I'll put it back together with the air filter and all that shit, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Toodles. This is the end half of the video now. I cleaned up the carburetor. Let me point it down here and I'll show you. I cleaned the outside. I didn't get a chance to clean the inside because I gotta get my little cleaning bowl thing there all straightened out. Plus it's freezing cold in here and I don't know if my little parts cleaner is gonna freeze. So I'm gonna basically get some carburetor cleaner and a brush. I gotta get some new screws and stuff on here. So here, take a look. This is my this is what I did to it. As you can see, I'll show you before and after. What I cleaned it with is basically what I'm planning on cleaning the engine over there with. I basically used, and these are like 20 bucks on Amazon, and they work great. These little things. You put them in one of these things and just start going around and cleaning it. I didn't do a perfect job. This isn't a 223 cycles cleaning, but it did come out pretty darn good considering the before and the after. Like that needs to be replaced. The screws are mucked. This, I kind of figured out how this thing works. I'm gonna clean all this off. I gotta get in there some more. I'm just trying to make it look nice. I mean, it looks nice already. I could probably polish it some more, but it actually works pretty good. So yeah, I gotta. I'm waiting for the jet cleaner, the little pipe things. Waiting for the seal and all the other stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did with that. So if I did it right, I'll have showed you some pictures and spit it up and done that for you. So with that said, I'm not gonna show you any more of this because what's the point? I already did the video, but that was it. So yeah, see, it comes out not bad. In fact, I think I'm gonna do it to one of the 250 ES carbs over there. But I've been trying to send it to 223 cycles, but what's his name? Curdy or what his name is? Everybody talks about him. Is apparently busy as hell. Apparently the guy does wonderful jobs, have no complaints. I haven't heard a complaint about him other than the guy's busy. And you can't blame a guy for having a great business, good job. And so with that said, don't forget to, there we go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And thanks for watching. Hopefully this video, you enjoyed it. I'll try to high-speed dub it, so toodles.